Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Secure Boot in Rufus, what it is, why it matters, and how to make sure your bootable USB works safely on modern PCs. If you've ever had trouble booting a USB on a Windows 10 or 11 machine, this video is for you. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials and guides. So, what is Secure Boot? Secure Boot is a security feature in UEFI firmware that only allows trusted software to boot on your PC. It helps prevent malware from loading during startup, keeping your system safe. However, it can sometimes block USB drives that aren't configured correctly, which is where Rufus comes in. When creating a bootable USB in Rufus, you'll notice an option to make the drive compatible with UEFI, Secure Boot. Choosing this ensures that your USB can boot on modern PCs without having to disable Secure Boot in the BIOS. Rufus does this by creating a bootable structure and signing the necessary files so the system recognizes them as trusted. Here's how to do it. Plug in your USB, open Rufus, and select your Windows or Linux ISO. For a partition scheme, choose GPT for UEFI systems. Make sure your file system is set to FAT32, since Secure Boot requires FAT32 for proper recognition. Then, simply click Start, and Rufus prepares the USB for Secure Boot compatibility. A quick tip: if your USB doesn't boot on a Secure Boot-enabled PC, double-check that you use GPT and FAT32, and that the ISO supports Secure Boot. For older BIOS systems, you might still need to switch to MBR. But for most modern PCs, GPT with FAT32 is the safest choice. In short, Secure Boot ensures your PC only loads trusted software, and Rufus makes it easy to create a bootable USB that works without turning off this security feature. Following these settings will save you from common booting issues and keep your system safe. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who are creating bootable USBs, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.